In this video, we'll teach you how to send money with Remit Choice. So when you open remitchoice.com, then you need to look at this section right here. It's called transfer. You need to select the country from where you are sending the money. For example, let's choose Germany, and then you need to choose this country where you are transferring the money. For example, France. Then click proceed. After that, you need to select the payout partner. So you need to select the payment option. In this case, there is only one. In my case, I can only use my bank accounts for the transaction. Then I need to enter the money I'm sending in euros, for example, 100 euro. And as you can see, here is the exchange rate, and also they have got the fee, which is almost 2 euros for 100 euro. Let's click send now. Now next step is log into your account if you don't have account on Remit Choice. In this case, you need to click sign up in the top right corner, and you need to create an account. You can create a personal or business account. You need to provide your email address, first name, last name, your country, and make sure that your country is the same which you will select while you're sending the money. Also, you need to enter your phone number. If you are sending money to only one country, you can choose preferred receiving country. You need to enter password, and of course, if you have got the referral code, you can enter the referral code, then click on register, and after that finalize your transaction, enter your bank details and make the payment. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.